Welcome to SkyView Drone Services. Whether you're in agriculture, construction, real estate, or public safety, our services are designed to provide actionable insights and enhance decision-making. Our FAA-certified pilots utilize cutting-edge drone technology to deliver high-resolution imagery and precise data tailored to your project's needs. Our process is straightforward and client-focused. 1. Consultation. We begin by understanding your specific requirements and objectives. 2. Planning. Our team develops a customized flight plan to ensure optimal data capture. 3. Execution. We conduct the drone flights, capturing the necessary imagery and data. 4th. Analysis. Post-flight, we process and analyze the data to generate comprehensive reports.
Ready to elevate your project? Contact SkyView Drone Services today and discover how our aerial solutions can benefit you.